Hey guys, got a little snap-on tool haul video for you guys today. So I got one of these neck lights. Pretty sweet. It's got one button here. Pretty bright. If you hold the button down, it'll dim it down and it goes back to normal. It is rechargeable. It's a Type C charger. It's got 4 indicator lights. It's pretty sweet little neck light. I'm actually pretty excited to use it. Should help direct light really ideally where you want it. So each one of these things is adjustable. Alright, so you can kind of focus the beam where you want it. Part number on that for you guys is ECHD-C0380, because I got the orange one. 250 lumens. Each side pivots up to 70 degrees. It's got the dimmer switch and a run time of, that's right, 8 hours. Heck yeah. Alright, the other thing I got here, they had a BOGO deal on the semi-deep sockets. So you buy the metric, which was $216, and you get the SAE, which was $190, for free. Can't really beat that in my mind. So let's take a look here at them. See what you guys think. Alright. So the set goes from, here's all the sizes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 millimeter doesn't skip sizes. The part number on that is 212IMFMSYA. So let's take a look. 8, 9, 10. Here is the 10 mil, the infamous 10 mil. You can see the socket in here. They are 6-point. They're not 12. And this is a Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight 10 mil. Also 6-point. Okay. There's that end. It's got a pretty deep bevel on it compared to the Snap-on. We'll put it down side by side here, and you guys can see the height difference. Came with the magnetic trays, so these are magnetic trays here, and this is the SAE set. So the SAE set goes from 5/16 to 7/8. Okay, these are the flank drive ones, by the way. And the part number on that is 210IMFSYA. These are pretty nice sockets. I've heard really good things about the semi-deeps. I'm looking forward to using them. I don't have very many shallow 3/8 at all, actually. I think I have maybe 6 or 7 of them. I don't have a full set. So I decided instead of getting shallows, I would get these. That kind of are a bridge between deeps and shallows. I went with the impacts instead of the chrome because they're more of a multi-purpose versatile socket for me. I can use them on an impact, and yet I can also use them. Oh, that's nice. Snaps in there real nice, real positive. You can see the ball in there. They fit in there pretty good. That's a snap-on ratchet here. Part number on that is FL80 USA, stamped right there. Come on, focus. There we go. They snap in there pretty good. So I got the impacts versus the chromes because, to me, they're more versatile. I can use them on a ratchet like this, and I can also use them on an impact. They're just a little bit more versatile to me, I think. And I mainly use, half-inch most of the time. But I do use the absolute crap out of my... Here's my power tool drawer. Those are the boxes to the icons. My MG325, this little guy here, this is my 3/8 impact. I use the absolute crap out of this thing. It's one of my most favorite tools that I have as far as pneumatic goes. But anyways, guys, that's the tool haul for this week. That's what I got. Just these three things here. Believe it or not, I'm actually kind of most excited about getting to use this and not having to fight for light anymore. Seems pretty bright. With that 8-hour runtime, I think it'll be coming real handy when you're doing engine work or something, longer jobs. So, all right, y'all, take it easy. Thanks for watching.